Hi kids, I want to show you this fun material. It's called calcium carbide. It's used in miners' helmets. They actually use it to burn acetylene gas that they lights their headlamps. So this is calcium carbide here, and when you combine it with two water molecules, you get acetylene gas. That's what's going to be burning. And you get also calcium hydroxide, which is kind of like a lime. Most of the time they use it in cooking and stuff. But the fun gas that you get is this acetylene gas, which they'll use in welding and also for the miners' helmets. So why am I telling you about this fun material? Is hold on to your seat for the Austin Magic Pistol. Hello kids, I want to show you a toy I got. It's actually a very old toy from the 1950s. It's called the Austin Magic Pistol. Why it's magic is that they gave you these little magic crystals that you put in the back here. And you screw this little cap on it, but I'm not going to do that yet. And then you can shoot these little, it's like a ping pong ball, but it's kind of like a weird shape to it. So you shove that down the can, and it's a made in the 50s, very rare toy because someone thought it was dangerous. I don't know why they thought it was dangerous. So they banned it, and so you can't really get it anymore. But anyway, I want to show you because what you do is you put a little water in here with the magic crystal. And then you put this here, a little cap on there, and you sit back. You give it a little few seconds. Kind of cool, huh? Let's do that again. Okay, let's try it again. A bit of water. Put on. Projectile in. Oh, that was a good one. Austin Magic Pistol. Oh, look at that smoke. That's cool.